Hello everyone, good evening. Myself Mr. Sarabjeet, son of Shri Roshan Lal. My date of birth is 3/4/1983. If I am talking about my work, I am a VMC operator. I have a 7-year experience and still I am working in a reputed company. I have full knowledge of machines like Mitsubishi and Siemens. At there, I am making forging dies like pipe wrenches, double open-end spanners, water pump pliers, and combination spanners, etc. At present, I am applying for the job in your company. If you will give me this opportunity, I will do my work with full efforts and honestly. I will be very thankful to you if you will give me this opportunity. Thank you.
चल